welcome to the Bong Voyagers. As you can see, today we are out of our home. It's an unusual Friday morning. I would be rather sleeping this time, but today we have already hit the streets. We're going to a place which is a little outside Bangalore, near the city Mysore. It's called Srirangapatna. So it was very important to actually travel. The lockdown had completely stressed all of us out, and after doing a little search as to where to go, which place would be within the city safe, we zeroed in on this place finally. It's called Hotel Mayura Riverview, Srirangapatna, and it is owned by KSTDC, which is Karnataka State Transport Corporation. The idea is right now to enjoy the drive. It's another 3 hours from here, and we're going to stop in between and have breakfast. It's exactly 8 o'clock right now. Hopefully we'll be reaching by 11. So stay tuned. Let's take this journey together. We are on the old airport road, Hal Road right now. I think in our one of the prior videos we have taken a short trip on this road. This is a road that I completely love because it's actually a very beautiful drive with trees on both sides and not that crowded most of the time. So we've started from Whitefield where we stay, and we are on our way. We are about to hit the Mysore highway, and this is the way that we're taking. So I think we're going to pass through Indranagar and those places. And we have interesting company with us today. So let me introduce you to our travel companions for today, for the next 3 days actually. So one of the travel partners is Mr. Priyanko Roy. You've already met him. He's a constant. He doesn't let me go anywhere without him. He's a constant pain. And then sitting right behind me are Mr. and Mrs. Iyengar. So this is Krishna sir, and this is Pramni ma'am, and we stay in the same complex. So I think this is the first time we are going, but we are going to take a lot of journeys together, and we are making a lot of plans, and I'm too excited. But we started off today with Srirangapatna. We wanted to take a break, a much needed detox from the daily mundane life, and I'm really excited. Hopefully the journey will be nice and safe. So this is a Mysore highway. We've hit the highway. This takes us to Mysore, and then most other places from Bangalore have this route. Whether you want to go to Wayanad or Coorg or Ooty, this is the way actually you have to go via this highway. So we are here, and we're going to shortly stop for a quick breakfast, and we still have almost another 2 hours to go. Almost reached this place called Ramnagar. The hills that you can see right in front are known as the Sholay Hills. after the movie Sholay was shot here. So this is the Bangalore road that I talk about in most of our vlogs. The journey is really beautiful, minus the traffic of course, but you from here we get the hill view.
দেখো ওই নদীর ধারে লেগে না
হ্যাঁ
একটা বাটি রেখে ঘুমিয়ে পড়বো, সকালে দেখবে পয়সা করবো।
আর ছেড়ে যাবো করে
শান্তি আসবে।
थोड़ा जूम करके दिखा देती हूँ सामने हिल्स। भूख लग रहा है सबको, तो बहुत जल्दी स्टॉप करने वाले हैं। We're looking for this place called Kamath, which is a famous one for breakfast. आज वेदर भी बहुत ही सही है, थोड़ा क्लाउडी तो है और जा रहे रिवर साइड। ऐसा ही रहा तो बहुत मज़ा करने वाले हैं। So this place Srirangapatna is on the banks of River Kaveri, and the resort which we booked today is right on the bank. So the river is supposed to be seen from the room. Let's see. So finally we've reached Kamath.
Tummies are rumbling.
Yeah, the tummies need food.
So this is our first stop. We have stopped here for a quick breakfast. We'll be having a breakfast from Kamath Lokaruchi Veg Restaurant. As you can see, the board is just behind me. You can see, yes, over there, up there. So we're going to have a breakfast from here, and then we'll be heading towards our destination, which is Mayura River Resort in Srirangapatna. It is another 1.5 hours drive from here. So let's see what is available in the breakfast. Inside Kamath you will find these shops. This is a very beautiful shop. It is selling some kind of home decor stuff. This is Kamath. Look at this beautiful hut. This is a nice place. So we have just ordered breakfast. What have you ordered? Idli, vada, and dosa and
Tea
tea.
and coffee.
Okay. So are you enjoying the drive?
Cheers. This is our tea.
Okay. Thank you. So ma'am, how are you? How are you enjoying this
Great.
drive?
We enjoyed the drive, and now I love this place, Kamath. I always stop here. I love it, and the wait was really worth it. So this has been great fun.
Finally, after 4 months.
I know.
Okay. Sir, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
Sir has refused to speak.
No, sir.
He's upset he has to wear a mask.
Well, I'm glad we got out and we're now relaxing for a nice South Indian breakfast at Kamath Lokaruchi. Well, it's sparsely crowded. There's hardly anybody around. Few people venturing like us who have been brave enough to come out and say, hey, let's see let's see the world outside from 4 months confinement.
Breakfast is just being served. This is vada. This is vada. Vada.
Please, here. This is your way.
This is my idli. I'll have this idli.
This is a typical idli. This is not normal. This is a typical Mysore idli.
This is a typical Mysore idli. Yes, I've never seen idli covered in this banana leaf
Yes.
before.
Looks interesting.
It
Let's
looks
uncover
very
what's
nice.
inside the banana leaf.
Thank you, sir.
We're done with our breakfast and loved it. I'm not a very big fan of South Indian food like he is, but today, I completely relished the food. So what all did we have? We had vada,
We had vada, madur vada.
madur vada.
We had steamed idli wrapped in banana leaf,
Wow, yeah,
dosa, tea coffee.
awesome. So it was delicious actually, and tummy is very happy right now. We have another 1.5 hours of journey left, and we're not going to stop probably anymore. I can't wait to reach the resort, which is a riverside resort, and we are planning to have a lot of fun. We can actually see the Mysore city from here. We're just 10 minutes away from our destination. The weather is beautiful, the roads are beautiful. The weekend looks like a perfect one. The driver's good, thanks to a very efficient driver here. Somebody who's passionate about bikes and cars.
Straight ছিল তো রাস্তা।
So as you can see, after almost a 3-hour drive, we have finally entered the historical town of Srirangapatna. The KSTDC Mayura river view is another 5 minutes from here. It's a nice cloudy weather. In fact, I can already see the board, Hotel Mayura River View. So just straight from here. पहुंच ही गए ऑलमोस्ट 200 मीटर है ये यहाँ पे। हम लोग देख रहे हो रास्ता बहुत ही सुंदर है, फुल ऑफ ग्रीनरी, अ ट्रीट टू द आईज एक्चुअली, अच्छा लगता है। सो दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट द प्रेमाइसेस ऑफ होटल मयूरा रिवर व्यू। वी आर अबाउट टू एंटर। सो वी हैव रीच्ड the destination, which is going to be our home for the next 2 days. This is Hotel Mayura, KSTDC, Srirangapatna. I think it's a government hotel, so they are taking good care of the hygiene and safety. We got our temperature checked and there are sanitizers kept everywhere. We are yet to check into our rooms. We're just exploring the property because it's really beautiful. Come, let's have a look as to how nice this looks. Right behind me you can see this is River Kaveri. The rooms that we have booked has this view from the balcony. I'll show you a little around the property. Let's explore. So this is a resort which looks very pretty. This is Kaveri River. I think the whole of this town, Srirangapatna, is surrounded by River Kaveri on all sides. You can see some photo shoot going on here already. So people are yet to keep their bags in the rooms, but not missing any chance to take photos and explore the property. These are the rooms. So we're planning to sit down here in the evening. There will be cool breeze from the side and we can sit down here and have our evening chai. And these are the 2 rooms that we have been given, with a very nice balcony. We'll get into the room shortly. The property is government property, but quite good in terms of the greenery, in terms of the ambience. I can spend hours sitting here actually, just relaxing, taking a break, slowing down and reflecting about life. This is a very good place, and we can actually spend hours.
This is complete bliss, absolute meditation.
I think we will sit here by the riverfront in the evening with a cool breeze touching our face, and we'll have our evening chai. Very nice place for a quick break, very nearby. The roads are also beautiful. In these times when traveling outside is not recommended at all, I think these small breaks are what will keep us sane and happy. We're waiting for lunch now. We've ordered a whole lot of items because food is a very important part of all travels. Good food is good mood. So we're going to have fish, chicken, paneer, dal, and this is the view that we have with the lunch right on the riverside. Lunch is here. There is this fish, katla fish curry. We have chicken, we have dal, we have aloo gobi, we have rice, we have paratha, and I think paneer is coming.
They're very loyal to each other their whole life.
একটা কোনো কোনো মারা গেলে সেকেন্ডটাও বাঁচে না।
Hey guys, after lunch we slept off a little. It was a little tiring, the 3 hours drive. So we thought of taking a rest, especially after eating so much. And we fell asleep, and now we are taking a stroll around the property. As you can see, this is the property around me. It's beautiful, full of greenery. Totally calms your restless soul, you know, makes your mind calmer. Therefore, I am a big advocate of staycations, and taking these small breaks helps you keep sane and happy and gives you more energy to kind of work hard and, you know, do well in life. So today we are going to stay here for the night. Rooms and all are really beautiful. I'll give you a sneak peek of the room tomorrow, but I can show you the cottages that are here, and there are different options actually. There are AC cottages and there are non-AC rooms as well. AC cottages are the best category, which are right on the riverfront, but there are cheap options otherwise as well, and it's a government hotel, so the best thing about a government hotel is the location. I think they have the best locations. In fact, KSTDC, I have been searching their website for some time. They have good number of hotels and some of the most scenic locations around Karnataka. And the other benefit is also it is very, very easy on the pocket. So the rest of the evening will be spent in having some hearty chats. No laptops, no work today. We're just going to chat and we're just going to have some fun. We're going to order some snacks shortly, and we're going to spend the time in the balcony of our rooms. And tomorrow morning the plan is to go boating in the river. They have options for boating, and we'll explore the property a little more. And we will also take our car and go to some good places around. There is a fort which I figured out from my Google search. There are rather several temples, but given the situation, it wouldn't be a good idea to go into temples and fort or any places, and plus most would be closed. Our idea was to take a break and enjoy the resort stay, not get into crowded places and not expose ourselves to any risk, because safety and hygiene is the most important thing right now. So we'll avoid the sightseeings, but within the car we can explore a little, and the plan is to stay tomorrow as well. In fact, we had booking for one night, but we love the property so much, the river view is so mesmerizing, that we kind of extended our stay for another night. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow, and we will explore the property together. We will be boating, and we will also go and explore Srirangapatna towns. Till then, signing off. Good night. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and share our videos. Bye bye. Take care. Say good night to the Bong Voyagers. We'll see them tomorrow again.
Good night and sleep well.
Good night, sleep
See you in the morning.